Linwood to you, and welcome back to another vlog with Brother Hair on air on Koshrai. I am thrilled. I am absolutely thrilled to have you join me today. Before we dive into today's vlog, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update when we post new videos. I want to take a moment to acknowledge each and every one of you who have been with us since day one. It's heartwarming to see new subscribers tuning into from all around the corners of the globe, including the United States, our beautiful Micronesia, Guam, the Republic of Marshall Islands, Japan, New Zealand, India, and many more. Please leave me a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I love to hear from you. I hope you enjoy your time here on this channel where I bring to you inside look at wonders of Koshra and share some updates on my daily life. Thank you again. Thank you for your support. Let's embark on this journey together. You wanna assume welcome back to another vlog. You wanna assume gilin missing here? Cutting in high school. Though I got question on KK. Day one. Pakadash kayo na sending to you all. Good morning and welcome back once again to another vlog from Brother Hair. Lain missing here Pakadash High School. Cutting in ako yung nag-pressure malash lain missing here. KK Warriors. Umpin madami we KK Warriors. Pinecombe. Umpin na we. Pinecombe. So, malash from seeing it. Let's get it on with it.
yang, saya way you can make it YouTube.
Ang Wong. Don't you say that we KK?
Yan lah ye, eh.
Waar komt u uit met Mary Kingy?
Eh,
Komt dat ook niet vaak?
ang last ng duo stuwa. Seriously.
Dat je een cash app, hè?
Nou,
En die wil je cash app? You want to shoot? Look at him. Look at me, eh? Hey. morning, everybody. Today is Saturday for KK Warriors. We out here at the high school compound, cleaning up the yard. That's what we're doing today. Chocolate. Mom nalışık parçasını yine. Mom nalışık parçasını yine. Wow. Man.
Naudla progressing. Masih mereka aku daw pwede Christmas ma para tawag kayo pero kasi may kulat kayo lagi ng tao
Later. Well, ngayon ako koin giro niya na pagka fruit bats intin KK Warriors mo. Takaya niya na pangan. Yan ang niya mo. Tapos na mo nga dahil underput na ako. Yan naman dahil sa mon mo. Kung fin laman actually amayan yin yin kung Anders pa masih poking cereal mga naldal. Men is in the fresh milk. Fakat mula siya fresh milk kan kistong eh. Oh, the maldal. Bottom, how you? How's the family, Cash? Huh?
Yeah, good, good.
My Kai?
Fine, fine.
Yeah, so what was you still up to, Cash?
Yeah, about to go feed the pig and stuff. So.
Oh, you're going to feed the kind, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, that's the kind going to make the pork topo, eh? Yeah, yeah. Kalu pork, you know? Kalu pork.
Kalua pork,
Yeah, that's the one.
That's different kind of pork.
Yeah. You know, I like the kind of. You know, the interesting way we put the kind make the kind of. What they call the Filipino make with the fatad, eh? With the blood and all.
That's a kind low profile, guys. You know,
Yeah. But that's the kind I like it more. You know what I mean? That's Anyway, today's Saturday. We stay out here, try to clean up the place. You know what I mean? But brother Junior, like over here, you know what I mean? Or you like make one shout out to the family, Juan over there in Hawaii. Yes, bless ya.